What a season, what a game, what a series, what a conference. Before anything else, a big round of applause to two organizations that gave us a classic series, Red Bull and Pure Foods. Before I present the trophy to the champion, there are some people to thank here today. First of all, we would like to thank our sponsors who have supported the PBA all this time, especially our title sponsor for the conference, Grand Matador. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. Ang ating major marketing partner, Extreme Magic Sing, and all of our marketing partners who have never flinched in their support for the PBA. Nais namin pasalamatan din ang lahat ng aming kakibat sa media, our press corps, our television partners, ABC5, and all of our friends who have supported the PBA all this time. And finally, we would like to thank all of you, all nearly 700,000 people who have watched the PBA and millions more all over the Philippines. You have been a tremendous inspiration and the greatest crowd that even the NBA has seen today. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And now it is time to present the trophy to the champion. Deserves this more. The best title that the Philippines can offer. It is the title of the Philippine Cup, the most prestigious in all of the country, because it means that they are the best Filipino team in the country today. It is my honor to present the Philippine Cup to the Pure Foods Chunky Giants.